Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a deep insight about how you can be an affiliate and start earning passively every single month. Isn't that wow? So stay connected and watch till the end. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Arjuman and I'm going to give you a deep insight about how you can be an affiliate of ClickFunnels and start earning passively every single month. All right, so if for those of you who are new on my channel and who don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is simple. Okay, it is just selling other companies products and you as an affiliate you make commissions. So ClickFunnels is a company and they you can just go and sign up as an affiliate on their website. So I'm going to show you deep inside how you can be an affiliate and how you can earn commissions with several products what ClickFunnels has. And along with that, I will also show you how you can earn commissions every single month passively through ClickFunnels. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, I'm on Google now. Once you are on Google and you just go to this, you just search for ClickFunnels in Google, you get this link. Okay. So once you click here, what happens is you can just go and sign up as an affiliate. If you are a ClickFunnel user, you can go here and log in as to your affiliate dashboard. If you're not a ClickFunnels user, you can just go here and create an account and start using. Okay, so here how you can log in. Now, since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in and I'm going to show you how the ClickFunnels affiliate marketing works. And in the meantime, you can also check this part where it says read this, where you will have an opportunity of earning 40% commissions through the ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels is basically a software. It's a SaaS software where it is, where you will be having a targeted version, a laser focused version of a website. Funnels are nothing but a laser focused version of a website, and there are lot many types of funnels. And this is my dashboard. And once you are here, you can get your affiliate links for every single program or every single book of ClickFunnels. Well, many of them have a misconception that ClickFunnels is having only books, but that's really not the case. ClickFunnels is it's really a very good platform for you to get started with your affiliate marketing journey, and it has got an amazing course as well. That's One Funnel Away Challenge, and this One Funnel Away Challenge is a complete 30-day challenge in which you will have a complete insight about how to get started online. If you are an affiliate and you're just getting started and you don't have a product of your own and you don't know how to select a product, then the best thing I recommend is to start with ClickFunnels and go ahead and take this One Funnel Away challenge. It's just for $100. You are not going to lose out on a lot of money, on One Funnel Away challenge. Now let me just go and show this to you by each product, as and when we go on. Basically, funnel challenge is same like One Funnel Away challenge itself. Brick and mortar summit, in case you have anybody who has a business, let's suppose a traditional business like a supermarket, a restaurant, a coffee shop. Okay, these are the brick and mortar businesses, right? So this is an absolutely free thing. Once you go in the affiliate program, you can read about what exactly it is. There are amazing resources, pictures which will support you to promote on Facebook, Instagram, swipe stories. Okay, so you will also have, in case you do email marketing, you have email swipes as well, so you can use it for email marketing as well. So if you're planning to promote this, which is actually a free
a free course, the brick and mortar course. You just have to grab this as an affiliate link, and you can promote on the social media. Okay, the my interest in ClickFunnels is like I promote the traffic secrets book because I believe that this is something which would help each and every entrepreneur, or anybody who is having a blog post, who is running a business, who's an affiliate marketer, who has an e-commerce business, because traffic secret is such an amazing book that it gives you a complete insight about how to drive traffic. And Russell Brunson has mentioned almost about 100 plus ways of generating traffic to your website or to your landing pages or to the sales funnels. Okay, now this is how it works. The main book of traffic secret itself, it's for $9.95, and you earn a commission of $1 because the book is for free. However, what they pay is for the shipping and handling charges, and they do have an order bump and the upsells as well, as you can see over here. All right, so in case anybody is opting for an audio version of the book, then they pay $37 and you get a commission of this one. All right, and in case they want to go for an event, that then they pay $97 and then you get this commission. So on a whole, the commission is 40% on each product you sell. The complete cart value, okay, that's this amount. All right, and what you earn as an affiliate per book sale is the potential of having this amount as a potential earning. And the best part about affiliate marketing is you don't need to do anything, you just have to focus on driving traffic to your affiliate link. It's as simple as that. Isn't that so great? You can get the you can copy these pictures. Okay, you can save it, you can copy it, and then what you can do is you can just go ahead and promote it similar to the previous one which I showed. Every single thing, it has its email swipes, it has a lot of follow-up sequence. If you want to promote the videos, just go here and you can download the video and start promoting. Now the question is, how do you promote this product, right? So let me just go ahead and share with you how exactly you can promote the complete thing. All right. So this is basically my Facebook profile. Yeah, so this is my Facebook profile. When you, first of all, you need to optimize your profile as per what exactly you do. So now what I have done is I have got all my links in under one tree. That's through the link tree. You can also go to link tree, and you can create your own account. And in this, I'm using just Linktree to promote the ClickFunnels. Okay, so now there is one funnel away challenge. So I have linked this. When somebody clicks on this, then they go to my affiliate page of one funnel away challenge. Similarly, I have done this for most of the ClickFunnel products which I do. So I have a complete track of every single, every single affiliate thing what I'm promoting through Linktree. Now, if you have, and this is the best way where I have figured out that you can promote, and at the same time, there are a lot of groups where you will get a lot of business once you are an affiliate. So what I do, I usually go in the groups and I give value. All right, and then there is a lot of promotions which happens in the group as well. So majorly I use Facebook to promote the ClickFunnels part, and that's the best way where you can drive the traffic. Now in Facebook you cannot use your affiliate links directly, so it is definitely not suggested to use your affiliate links directly on Facebook. What I strongly recommend is like use Linktree as a medium for you to promote your affiliate links, and you can always optimize your profile and then you can start promoting. Your profile should be as such, guys, that you are posting content. If you are doing an organic way of marketing, it's very important for you to post content every single time, whatever it is, be it in a form of a return text like this. Most of the time this kind of post, it goes viral. You can see the kind of an engagements what I have. And also, it's like you do it in a form of a video or return or text and video, both, whatever you're comfortable with. So let your profile be optimized and let it have content so people know exactly who you are and what you do. And if you want to know how to do affiliate marketing, I have left the link in my description below, where you can definitely join my free Facebook group to learn how to do affiliate marketing. And this is so much about promoting ClickFunnels as a product itself. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start promoting ClickFunnels. It's a fantastic platform for you to, just go ahead and do it. And it's really good because ClickFunnels is an amazing platform to get started with. And you will have a lot more retraction. You will have a lot more value when you start promoting ClickFunnels. All right, guys.
So guys, you just now saw how beautiful the complete affiliate marketing platform is, and how nice the business model is. So I don't think so if anybody is still waiting and looking for options to make money online, then affiliate marketing is the best choice what you can go ahead and start, because you don't require a massive investment. You don't require a lot of fan followers. All you have to do is just take your affiliate link, understand how to do affiliate marketing. So here the major investment what you will be doing is in learning the affiliate business. And any business, guys, if you don't learn, then you are bound to fail, isn't it? So I might as well start learning how to do it the right way and succeed. Okay, and if you want to know how I make money on online through high ticket affiliate marketing, then do not forget to check the link in my description below. And if you're new on my channel, do click that subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and get notified as soon as we upload a new video. If you've liked this video, give me a smash that like button, give me a like, or do comment and about what did you like about this video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.